What's up you guys, welcome to another Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about types. And if you're saying, okay, what the heck is a type? So just type along with me and I promise you will get it. So you've seen this before. When you declare a variable, you specify the type, you name it, and you give it a value. Like for example, 2. Uh, you're saying, okay, Mo, we know this. Like, why are you explaining it again? So the reason why I want to explain it again is this. So you can specify the type here as an integer, and you can also delete that and go ahead and type in long. And if you're saying, okay, Mo, like these two different types will compile the same, but why are you using long? Like, what's the difference between long and int? So in simple terms, this is the best way that I can put it. When you're dealing with large numbers, you most of the time want to use long. If you're dealing with small numbers, you most of the time want to type in int. So use int for small numbers, use long for large numbers. And as you guys know, int and the other type, which is long, they're all whole numbers. And if you're saying, okay, what is a whole number? A whole number is like 2, 3, 4, 5, anything without a decimal point. And what makes Java so cool is if you went ahead and try to like put a decimal point here and try, it will give you an error. As you guys can see, it said, it's required an int found double. What are you doing? Don't be stupid. So let's go ahead and just delete that. And the second thing that I want to teach you guys is this. It's something called a Boolean. And let's name it whatever we want, and let's set that equal to true. And if you're saying, okay, Mo, I don't understand what this line of code means. Okay, so what a Boolean is basically something that is whether true or false. So if you're creating a program and you know that you're going to set something as true or false, so when you declare your variable, the best way to do it is, yeah, it is the best way to do it, to specify the type as Boolean, and then you can set it to true or false or whatever you want later. So what a Boolean is basically something that is true or something that is false. So that's basically it, guys. And one last thing is double. Double is basically any number with a decimal point. And you guys already know this because you've been watching my previous tutorials, of course. So these are the couple of types that I wanted to show you guys: int, long, double, and Boolean. Like these the ones that I just showed you are the most common ones that you most of the time use when you program. So it's going to be pretty helpful and pretty useful in future tutorials once we actually get into bigger programs. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.